business solutions. Step 1, I want to find the burning platform. So what is a burning platform? Well, the reason I get called into any business is there's something wrong, something's not happening. And generally what happens is I get asked to go into a business and the first person I see isn't the person that invited me. That seems strange, right? So somebody sent me in to really find out what's going on. And that's the advantage that a consultant has when he goes into any business. There's no attachment. So he can ask the awkward questions. He doesn't necessarily mind, I hate saying it, upsetting people, but it happens. But he asks the right questions to find out the facts of really what's going on. So I really want to understand the burning platform. What's really happening? What is the reason why I've been invited in to find out what the state of the business is and where we need to attack first? So that's why I call it the burning platform. Find out what's really going on and attack that one first. So the true meaning of lean is about producing the highest quality, the lowest cost and the shortest lead time, with the relentless pursuit of eliminating waste. So when I get invited into a company, what I'm trying to look for in terms of the burning platform is it quality, is it cost, or is it delivery? So quality, cost, or delivery. And in the true spirit of lean, what we want is to have all these three in a good condition. But more often than not, with a lot of companies, either one or maybe more are not in a good condition. So we have to find out the facts and find out what's really going on. So there's a number of ways to find out the facts, what's really going on. One is use the KPIs, so the key performance indicators, but use the ones that get sent out to corporate or the highest level KPIs within the company. They're the ones to start with. Understand what they're telling you first. Secondly, then you want to talk to people. So let's talk to as many people as you can within the company, from the highest level to the employees on the shop floor or in the service industry that are working in their cubicles. Doesn't matter. You talk to as many people as you possibly can to gather the facts. And what you're looking for is, along with the KPIs, to understand the real state of what's going on. Okay, so the KPIs should tell you that, but talking to the people is really going to help you. So once you've gathered the facts, then you need to summarize them and really try and find out where your burning platform is. Is it in quality, is it in cost, or is it in delivery? Now it could be that it's in all three. So then you've got a real problem as to find out which one you're going to attack first. Where would I go first? I would go to the first one that's giving the biggest impact on the business. That's where my burning platform would be. If you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more videos, particularly the ones we talk about the how to do the 7 steps, then please subscribe.